Yep. Okay. Okay.
Pleasure.
You tell me what hurt you.
Don't worry about it. It's all good. It's only a bit of brake pipe, mate.
Huh?
Don't worry about it.
No, come on, tell me.
No, it's cool.
You've spent time in on great.
No, it's cool. Honestly, I don't mind. I do things for free every now and then anyway, so don't worry about it. It's all good. Right, so this video is a little bit different. This is more of a point of view, and as you can probably see from the start of the video, this is just some stuff I do occasionally for people, for for elderly people or people that are struggling. And I just thought I might as well just start recording these things. So if you guys could just like, subscribe, share this out there, and maybe spread it around a little bit, it'll help the channel grow, and maybe I can do a bit more stuff for people in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Is it wet? Where's it wet? Which one's wet? That looks like that might be wet. Oh, my knees. I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Oh, he's in the van. He's in the truck. Hello, mate. Ooh, Kentona. Say, Kentona. Sorry, I'm a bit of a live wire sometimes. Ignore this, I was doing a YouTube video earlier. I was, do little YouTube videos on my, on instructional videos. So just ignore it, don't worry about it. Was it driver's rear, was it?
Yeah.
Solid okay, there, right. Isn't it? Yeah. It's quite solid ground anyway. What, I ain't seen one of these in years, man. Yeah. I ain't seen one of these in years. I love the old Rangers. Size of the wheel bolts. Size of the 19s. The driver's rear.
Yeah, I'll put the watch it.
Oh man. Yeah, sorry it's so late. It's just trying to squeeze things in last minute. It's really hard to do. I still ain't even managed to put the alternator, on my van.
All right.
I managed to hit it hard enough with a hammer, and it's kind of kept working. So, kind of gone with it. Huh?
You've had one of them days.
I've had about 2 days of just absolute nonsense, to be honest with you. Yeah. It's been an absolute mare of a couple of days. Well, he's going on holiday anyway, nice. Well, he's going on holiday anyway, good.
No, I'll get to the steam pairs and vintage.
Oh, right.
That's why I use this box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Okay.
Being an old trucker, I go to the shows.
Yeah. See if we can get it up. Let's see if that'll lift the back end up.
I'll put a wedge under the front.
Yeah. I have to get the wheel off the ground on it.
I probably could have done it myself, but I had a stroke.
No, I understand that. No,
it's took all my strength, like.
No, I get it. I don't know if I'm going to get it. No, it's not. I don't know if I'm going to get it high enough. No, it's not really that. It's trying to get the van.
Pardon?
It's trying to get it high enough. And if that's actually the brake line that's gone. It might be the brake pipe that's gone.
Pardon?
Might actually be the brake pipe that's gone. Oh God, no, almost. Yeah, the end of the brake pipe looks quite rusty. Yeah. You just press your foot on the brake. Yeah. Foot brake, see what it does. Yeah, the brake pipe's gone.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not the cylinder, it's the brake pipe's broken. I ain't got any brake pipe with me.
Okay.
Needs a brake pipe making. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's got a hole in the brake pipe.
Yeah.
Where does that go? It goes over the axle. Ah, damn it.
Not a bugger.
Yes, that is a bloody bugger. I brought a cylinder with me, obviously, but it needs... I'll get a little video of it, I'll show you, just so you can see. Yeah, this ain't going anywhere at the minute. It's going to be in brake pipe making. I'm going to record it on my phone. Oh, I wish that's a shame did they not look at it properly?
Pardon?
I'm guessing who looked at it? Was it a garage?
All it is was the fluid on the floor.
Brake again. Yep. Okay. Okay.
Alright, press the brake again. Yep. Okay. Okay.
Again?
No, that's it. That's it. Yeah, because I could have brought some brake pipe with me.
No. What a shame.
See, watch it there.
It's where that's ready.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so that piece of brake pipe's knackered. Okay, okay, I'll have to... Ay. Well, that's really annoying, isn't it? I normally carry brake pipe as well, but my business partner's got it. He's got it, and he's normally got unions and everything. I'm gonna have a quick look. I'll see if that union will come off. See if it'll move, because it's probably going to need that cylinder anyway as well, to be honest with you. Yeah. In all honesty. Of course it's a bloody 10 mil, isn't it?
Never rained, but it pours.
Do you know what I mean? Oh no, it did look crack loose. Is that crack loose then? That felt like that went then. Oh, buzzing, that's good news. Yeah, winner. Okay. It went, yes. Okay. Let's see if those go. Oh, bloody hell, things actually come undone on this thing, crikey. Well, okay, well, that's some good news. Everything's coming loose, which is a positive, so...
Yeah.
Holy guacamole. Is it just sitting in there? Okay. I can't believe things are coming undone on this rusty thing. Everything's very rusty.
Sorry.
Wow, amazing. That's genuinely amazing. As if. I'll have to take this brake line off. Have you got any? You haven't got any old mole grips or anything, have you?
I haven't. I've been looking for them.
Trying to think. Let me see. Sort of pinch that line off, because I'll take that line with me. I won't be able to make a line for it. Okay. Yeah, I'll take this brake line off and then I'll see if I can make a brake. Well, fly off and try. I don't know if I'm going to get back tonight, but I can make a brake line for it. Yeah. Well, they don't build quality anymore, do they?
I'm a little bit hard, isn't it?
So they don't build quality like this anymore, do they? It's actually everything coming undone.
Yeah.
This is great. This is absolutely smashing. This is. Come on, baby, come on, baby. One pound piece. Is that doing? What's going on here? Oh, come on. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Okay. Well, there's the bloody problem, innit? Yowzers. Okay. Okay. We have to go make him a pipe, don't we? Go make a pipe, man. Go make a pipe. Go make a pipe. Go make a pipe, 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 pipe. How that come off, I do not know. Look at that, even that's stiff and it come out alright. Good quality that, isn't it? That is a female end onto that. See, those are the ends. There we go. Okay. The offending article there.
Yeah.
Smoke there. But I'm actually surprised that all of that's come off.
Yeah.
How rusty it was. These never come off. Just shows how good a quality things used to be made, eh? It's almost 20 years ago, but that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, it's going to need to make a pipe for it, basically.
Right. I'm sorry about the wrong information.
Hey, it happens, mate. It happens. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna have to go. Yeah, I'll go off, try and make a pipe for it. Make a copper pipe out of it.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too hard. It's not a big piece. Just leave it with me. Right. Back to Coventry. We tried. We tried.
Yeah.
We tried. Well, at least on the positive, don't have to take the wheel off. Just leave it with me. Give you a chat. Give you a shout soon. And see what, just try and get back over as soon as I can. Really, it's kind of yeah. We're getting there. We're getting there. Half the battle's won.
Yeah.
But it's down. Leave it with me. I'll see you soon. There we go. Look, making a brake pipe. Not hard. I am reusing the old fittings though, because this is a Ford truck, and I don't want to take the chance of not having the right unions because it's an old Ford Ranger. Oh god. So I'm reusing the old bloody unions. You like my little tool? Look at that. I'm gonna go rescue him tonight and be a nice fellow, because that's just what I'm like. Okay, there's op 1. A bit of op 2 in your life. Is it op 1? Yeah, and then op 2. Wait a minute. Okay. Alright. I made it. Should we just do it? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna get on with it. But we made it. We made it. Alright. Okay. Let's get your pipe back working. I know, I'm a bit of a nutter. A bit of an idiot, I think. Okay.
It's a steam pair, see?
Where are you going?
It's only Evesham.
Oh, Evesham. Not too bad, not too far. Okay, we need that over here.
What do you reckon the other side should state is?
I don't know. I've not actually looked, to be honest with you. Not actually looked at that side yet.
Can you check it for me after and see if that one needs doing some kind?
Yeah, I'll have a look. Hey.
Is your van behaving now?
What's that?
Your van behaving?
For now, yeah. I can't believe it actually is, to be honest with you. I'm very surprised.
Yeah.
Like I said, I knocked it with a hammer yesterday and it actually it started charging better than it was before. It's typical, isn't it?
Yeah. That's what I was doing when I was truck driving.
Yeah, that's it.
80 hours a week.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crazy amount of hours we've done.
I couldn't do it now.
Nah, I'm trying to slow down now, to be honest, a bit. Spend a bit more time with the family, you know, while the kids are still young.
You can do when you get a bit more, you know.
Yeah, that's it.
You can pick and choose, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of trying to do at the minute. There you have it, mate.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
You tell me what I have you.
Don't worry about it. It's all good. It's only a bit of brake pipe, mate.
Huh?
Don't worry about it.
No, come on, tell me.
No, it's cool.
You've spent the time and I'm great.
No, it's cool. Honestly, I don't mind. I do things for free every now and then anyway, so don't worry about it. It's all good.
No.
Back on the road. Honestly, it's on me. Have a good holiday.
Have you got a card?
I do have a card, yeah. Yeah, don't worry about it, mate. No, it's cool. Honestly, don't worry about it. Honestly, if you're happy with the little video I made of the truck to use it on my socials, don't worry about it. Honestly, I do it for people anyway. I look out for people that obviously my elders anyway. I always try to look at. Don't worry about it. Have a good holiday. Yeah. Enjoy your time away. If you get stuck in the future, just give me a shout, or if you have any issues with that, just don't worry about it. Back on the road, winner. Just in the nick of time, man. No worries. Have a good day. Yeah. See you later. There you go. A little bit of brake pipe, a little bit of brake fluid, problem solved. So now that didn't even ask him his name. That was quite rude of me actually, really, weren't it? I don't know why, but I just do it for people occasionally, you know. So obviously made him a brake pipe up. What's that? A couple of quid for a bit of brake pipe, a bit of brake fluid. Yeah, there's a bit of running around and whatever. But as you see, I didn't charge him. I do that for people occasionally anyway, but I thought I might as well start recording it and putting it on when I do it. It's not often I can do it, obviously, because I can't afford to do it all the time, but who knows, in the future maybe. But I'm trying to give back a bit to my community. Obviously, we should actually look after our elders a bit more than we actually do. Maybe go and visit them a bit more and things like that, you know, because, you know, I'm terrible for it. And I've been trying my best lately to get better at it, seeing my grandparents and things like that. But he was just a lovely bloke. And do you know what? Saved him a few quid, go on holiday, have a bit more time, bit of peace of mind, his brake pipe's not going to pop. And job done. But anyway, if you like that one, guys, don't forget to hit the like, follow, share. It's like 9:20 at night now. What is it? Yeah, there you go. Look, 9:20 at night, if you can see that. I don't know if you can. Like 9:20 at night. It's a bloody late one. But anyway, see you on the next one, guys. Much love. Peace out.